Everybody, if you're judging this video, you're probably saying, hey, how can I assign orphan dashboards and such? And that's where we're going to take in the wonderful joy of administration. Orphan and unassigned. It's right there, straightforward, straight to the point. I even zoomed in to make it bigger. This is the place you go. You go inside of administration, you go into orphan and unassigned, and this is where you can take dashboards that may have become orphaned or unassigned if someone, if you deleted their account or they left the company or something like that. The same is true if there happen to be any report schedules and if there happen to be any credentials to that effect. But really the key part is I haven't deleted anybody who had any dashboards assigned to them, so otherwise something would be displaying here. So if you're ever wondering, hey, where do I go and reassign orphan dashboards or report schedules? This is the place. Administration, orphaned, and unassigned. Hopefully that was helpful to you. We try to get this done as quick as possible. Catch you on the next one.